So my name's Eben Upton. I'm one of the founders of Raspberry Pi. We're a UK-based charity that has developed a $35 computer that we use to teach children to code. And we're here at Faire in New York. We've got two new products, a touchscreen display and a sensor board that we're going to be sending to the International Space Station. So we've been selling Raspberry Pi for about 3.5 years, and for at least 2 years of that we've been promising to produce this, so this is probably our most delayed product. It's a wide VGA, so 800 by 480 pixel industrial LCD display, set with 7-inch diagonal with capacitive touch. So it's got a capacitive touch membrane on the front. It's 10-point capacitive touch, so we can move stuff around and zoom. And the Raspberry Pi mounts onto the back of it like this. So what our touchscreen product is the panel and then this driver board. You provide your own Raspberry Pi, screw it onto the back and connect it up with this cable, and then you've got your general purpose I/O connector here is still available for interfacing projects. Before we release this product, you'd have to find yourself a small HDMI screen and find a way, generally by taking its case off, find a way to integrate that into your product. That's kind of expensive, inconvenient. You tend to end up with a big wiring loom, wire everywhere. This is kind of a more compact and mechanically robust solution. And of course it's got the touchscreen on there as well. So you can put your entire user interface on this, you don't need a mouse and a keyboard. There's a big ecosystem of add-on boards that's grown up around the Raspberry Pi. There are really some really fantastic boards, and historically we've shied away from producing our own expansion boards. But back at the start of this year, we got an opportunity to design an expansion board for the Raspberry Pi that we could send up to the International Space Station with UK astronaut Tim Peake, who's going up on the Soyuz in December. What we decided to do was to run a contest to allow school children to write software to run on the space station. We need to develop a piece of hardware to let those kids have some sort of input and output sensing capability when they were on the space station. What we came up with was this thing here. So what we've got is a board with 64 RGB LEDs for display output. It's got a little joystick here. Oh, there we go. It's got a temperature, pressure and humidity sensor and a 9-axis motion sensor. So it's got a gyroscope, accelerometer and a compass. It's $30, which is kind of cool. And what we've done, we designed this nice milled aluminium case, sending 2 of these up to the space station, but school kids can buy the exact same electronics that we're going to fly on the station, use it at schools either to design their own experiments or to replicate the experiments that Tim's going to run up there. It's kind of really exciting. I'm a real space cadet. This is kind of basically the most exciting thing that has ever happened to me in my entire life.